Topaz Gigapixel is now available within Lightroom to enlarge or upscale your images without using the desktop application that comes with Topaz Studio. So we'll see how that works and see the results. With this photo I took in the French Alps of this cat, I took it with my iPhone. If we quickly look at the image size here, you see it's 3000 by 4000 pixels. And I'm going to crop in a little bit just so we can see and focus in more on the cat and how the image upscaling does. I'll just keep the same aspect ratio and try to use the rule of thirds. I'll press enter and I'm going to zoom in on the cat, and you can see it's still a little bit blurry. It doesn't have much detail. I can add more detail or sharpening to it if I want, but I'll just keep it at the default settings. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to enlarge this image. And actually before I do that, I'll show you the resolution. It's 1100 by 1500 pixels now. So I'm going to go to Photo. I'm going to go to Generative Upscale. And now you can see I can upscale using Topaz Gigapixel, the partner model. I'll select 4 times. It does take up generative credits. So this does require an Adobe subscription, but I guess you have one if you already have Lightroom. And it shows here you use 20 credits for the 4 times upscale. For the 2 times upscale, it's 10 credits, but I'll keep it at 4 times and I'll click on upscale. It does take a few seconds to process. So the upscaling is done. So I'm going to double check and I'm going to click on the info button here, and it shows the new image resolution at 45 by 6000 pixels. And I'm just going to color label this red for Topaz Gigapixel because that's their color in their logo. And I'm going to compare it against the original photo. So I'm going to click on my film strip here. Right now it's stacked, so I'll double click on this. So I'm going to click on the images here and click on the compare view. So I'm going to swap it here. So green was the original, I already color labeled it, and red is for Topaz Gigapixel and the upscaling. So if we zoom in here, let me see if I can get this zoomed in good. This is how the cat looks. And let's take a look at Topaz Gigapixel. And you can see right away while I'm zooming in or panning around, all it did was, for the most part, just upscale the image. It didn't improve or recover any detail. It looks like there's a little bit detail or a little bit more detail here, but it's so subtle or it's negligible, you can't really notice a difference. So just in my opinion, right now with this new update with Topaz Gigapixel, just the built-in version and not a plugin that uses a desktop version, it's not outstanding, it's not great. It's kind of lackluster. And this new Topaz Gigapixel tool is only available in the cloud-based version of Lightroom. For the desktop version, for Lightroom Classic, you still need to use the Topaz Gigapixel, which is available with the Topaz Studio subscription. The other thing I can do is just going back to this original photo here. Let me get back to the original photo. This is the green label. So this is the original photo. One thing I can do is go to the edit section, go to the detail. I can use super resolution, but it does pretty much the same thing. It doesn't recover any detail or sharpness. And that goes for the same thing if I go to export and then go to JPEG, and then I can change the size to whatever I want, 2000 or 6000. I already tested the output files and it looks the same. So Topaz Gigapixel is not much of a big improvement. You do need to go to the desktop version. So this is the desktop version of Topaz Gigapixel. You can see the before and after. There's quite a bit of significant improvement. This isn't a tutorial on how to use Topaz Gigapixel, but it's just to give you a comparison between Lightroom's new tool of Topaz Gigapixel built in compared to the desktop version. The desktop version of Gigapixel with Topaz Labs is still the better option for now. Maybe in the future it will improve. So what are your thoughts? And if you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. And as always, live easy, sleep breezy, and stay lovely.